Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error with the error code 0x80070246 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first thing is to check for internet connection. Okay, open fast.com on any browser and hit enter and check the internet connection speed here. Is it good enough? If yes, then proceed to the next solution, which is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. Scroll down and select Troubleshoot in the right pane. Select Other Troubleshooters and then click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. And the last solution is to reset Windows Update components. Copy this list of commands to reset Windows Update components. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste it here. This will stop the services associated with Windows updates, delete the Windows Update profile, delete the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders, re-register the DLLs, reset WinSock, and finally restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.